Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to set up a virtual mailbox with Anytime Mailbox. Then you'll definitely need to complete USPS Form 1583. This essential document, required by the United States Postal Service, legally authorizes your chosen mail center to receive and manage your mail on your behalf. It's a vital step for security and compliance, ensuring your mail is handled safely and correctly. Getting it notarized makes it official and legally binding, protecting everyone involved. Preparing for notarization is straightforward. First, make sure your USPS Form 1583 is fully filled in, leaving the signature line blank for the notary. You'll also need two forms of valid identification. One must be a government-issued photo ID like your driver's license or passport, and the other can be a credit card or utility bill. Having these ready ensures a smooth and quick notarization process. The notarization itself is quite simple. Many people now opt for online notarization, which is incredibly convenient. You'll connect with a certified notary public through a secure video call on your computer or phone. During this session, you'll show your identification, virtually sign the document, and the notary will then digitally affix their official seal. It's a quick and secure way to get your form officially verified without leaving your home. After your Form 1583 is officially notarized, the next step is to submit it to Anytime Mailbox. If you used an online notary, you'll typically receive the digitally stamped document via email or secure download. For in-person notarizations, simply scan the original. Then, head to your Anytime Mailbox account or their provided submission method and securely upload the clear, completed document. This ensures your service can begin promptly. Before sending off your form, take a moment to double-check everything. Make sure all information is accurate and that both your signature and the notary's seal are clearly visible on the document. This helps prevent any potential delays. Once Anytime Mailbox receives and verifies your correctly notarized Form 1583, your virtual mailbox will be fully activated, ready for you to start enjoying seamless mail management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.